Here's a 2018 Audi Q5. It's time to step up to a luxury crossover that answers your demand for elegance, technology, and safety. Features include intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, refrigerated box located in the glove box, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, Bluetooth streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, and Audi Parking System Plus Park Assist. Motor Trend finds rougher stretches of road do little to upset the chassis, which has a fantastic mix of control and comfort. Revolutionary engineering, progressive design, Audi. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Call, click, or stop in today. We are conveniently located at 2404 Crane Highway in Bowie, Maryland.